Yeah, watch it, not coming, Finn, not coming, Finn.
Hey, we're person. We're person, Pablo.
Hey, ice. Hey, watch it, Pablo. Not coming.
Hey, you can call that, Pablo.
We're tighter now, Bacchus. We gotta get tighter than that.
Yeah, Finn.
Yes, Finn.
Not too far. No.
Hey, zone? Yeah, you know.
See zone.
No round.
Yeah, see Leo.
Woo! Look at that around.
Yeah, keep it moving. Nice.
Look up line. Good call. See Leo.
Yeah, get it through there.
Hey, someone crash. Up line.
See,
Up line.
Topher.
Crazy.
There we go.
There we go. Turn and throw.
Two.
Yeah, find Rico.
Right there. Alice, spread out.
Dude, he's always faking the high release kid. It's fire.
Nice.
Yeah, hit that. All the way.
Hey, crash.
Nice, Leo. Dancing. Keep it going. Marco. Head zone.
Oh. Is that it?
That's in, baby. Let's go.
Yo,
Leo, you're hot.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Go deep, Owen.
He's going deep.
Oh!
Let's go, Box. Use it.
That's all they want, Leo. That's all they want.
Let's go, Ben.
Keep that side.
Hey, hold on.
See Poach.
Yeah, Leo. Yeah, Max.
That's under. Beauty. Chill.
Hey, we're good. Get it back, Max. Flick.
It's only one side. Inside.
Up. Woo! Damn, I totally missed that one on film. I just was watching the play. Leo, I missed that one too. I'm sorry.
You're fired, bro. You missed the last one?
Bro, I'm watching the game. What are we doing?
I don't know. Oh, wow! Run with it, not in! Ooh, that was close.
Good play, Johnny.
Ooh, that was close.
That's a break.
Let's get another break. Hey, Bacchus in the pole.
Bacchus!
Yeah, Finn. Hey, watch deep.
Back here.
Point to who you got. Up.
Buddy, are you arguing a pick call right now?
You can't argue a pick call.
I didn't ask why.
He just stayed back.
Hey, you're hot, Finn. You're hot. Yeah, Finn.
Look at that.
Yes.
Oh.
He's down there. Go there. Stay out of the block. Yeah, you can peel. Yeah, good help, Owen. Good cover, Owen. Yeah, Atticus. You're on, Atticus. Let's go, Atticus.
No round.
No round, Atticus. Looking.
Up.
Atticus. Yeah, Ben.
Oh.
Not in, not in! Drop, Ben, drop!
Leo,
Ben.
get out the way. Oh.
I'm sorry, Box.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
Hey, run on.
Honestly, I don't think that was the issue. Is he kind of just like ran, like Leno just. I guess if you were closer to the death, Leno was running to the death.
Hey, let's go, Bacchus!
Let's go, Box!
Let's go, let's be low, let's be low! Woo! Yeah, Bacchus!
See the cup, see the zone, see the zone!
Good swing. Nice.
See it, see it, see it!
Jets, go to the middle.
See it! One more, one more!
Good swing.
Yeah, move it. Nice. Beautiful.
There we go, Yates.
Nice fake and swing.
Break the,
Keep it coming, keep it coming!
You don't have to yet. We can turn him out for this one.
Yeah, now out.
No round. Crash.
Hey!
No round.
Leo, come make up a throw.
Crash!
Yeah.
I'm playing. No more. That's it.
You got that, Leo.
No round.
All the way.
One more.
Hey, let's go, Box, get it back, Box!
11. Someone get 11. Someone get 11. Tight. Let's go. RD, Bacchus. Topher.
Around.
Good D-toe.
We're just running to the middle, guys.
Jonas.
Inside.
Yeah, good job.
Good D-toe. Yeah, Bacchus.
Yeah, Max.
Vertical. Hey, what's that?
Ho! Work him deep, Max, work him deep. Max, take him deep.
Two of you.
Hey, harder than that, Leo.
No round.
Yeah, look for the sweep.
No big.
Keep it going.
See Leo, see Leo.
Yeah, and under, Liz. Under.
Up,
Max, right.
That's cold.
big boy.
Yeah, Leo.
Yeah, Bacchus.
Hey, see. Hard as you can, Box.
He's not that licky.
Yeah, Toph. Up. Yeah, hot, Topher. Watch it, buddy.
Up.
Up.
Hey, let's go, Box. In the game. Let's go, Box.
Dude, Jenks is that corner. We love that corner.
Ooh.
You see it. Middle, right there.
Ride the wave.
Baby. See the ride the wave?
Yep.
Dude, Leo's just everywhere.
Leo's nice. Both Leos are nice.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah, see Leo.
See that.
Beautiful. We want to do that a lot.
Hey, spread him deep, Leo. Spread him deep.
Yeah.
See it.
Yeah. Get your hot. Let this quick.
You gotta catch this.
Around.
They were good though.
Hot.
Inside.
Yeah, you're all good.
Around.
No round, Leo.
Up. Go for amazing D.
Let's go. Dude, I'm cold as fuck. He's alone.
How'd he get there?
Take the easy throw.
Oh, Leo, what the?
Back on.
I guess it was perfect.
Yeah, Bacchus.
There we go, Box.
That makes your 0 point so long.
Not a puller.
Who was that, Leo?
I hate Reed.
Finn, let's do it straight up. First couple counts.
Yeah, what's the...
Start pre-stalling, baby. Hey, let me get a step here, Anson.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Thank you.
You're my frame, you're my frame.
Hey, let's talk box. Let's talk box.
Yeah, hard.
Yo, let's get on defense, guys.
Nice! Let's go, Atticus. Work. Take it, Atticus. Go, go, go.
Hey, vert.
Vert stack, vert stack.
We're doing a vertical.
Vertical stack.
I don't know if they know yet.
Stack, be wide.
Nice! There we go, Pablo.
Easy throw. Chillington.
Oh.
Yeah, we're on D. Flick.
Damn, Yates got a good shot of you in that one.
Get on defense!
Up!
Good job, Leo.
Yeah, Leo.
Yo, 111, Leo, 111! Up! That's alright. Let's go. That's alright, boss.
If the handler cuts over there too.
Shoot, and we just need to talk more.
What's on the floor?
Alright, boss, Jack, Cup, get down there, Cup.
You just gassed it?
I think I was the way.
Yeah, all Ben.
See Ben.
Well, no, not even
But you wouldn't front me, right? Well, like a rib you need.
What? Who is?
Got a rhino player.
Who's the rail?
Max was.
Got over.
Get in there!
Attack it! Grade it! Oh!
Hey, let's get it back, Box. Let's get it back. Work.
Leo, that's
Hey, Box, point to who you got.
Hey, second, what you need?
Anthony.
Actually, Ben Real.
Anthony, like this deep.
They want it, They want it, Owen.
Coming under.
There we go. Hey, take your time, Box. Set it up. What do you want, Anson? Talk to him, Anson. What do you want? Ooh, good bit, Owen.
Beauty.
Now get up and get it back. Get it back, Owen.
Come out. Height, Anson.
Right, yeah.
Up.
Julie, look back to Ben.
End zone.
Nice.
Oh. Up!
That's it, Topher.
Let's go, baby.
Good Tito.
Nice and easy.
That's right. Let's go, Max.
Don't tell nobody.
Like this line here?
Yeah.
So
But then when you move it side to side, it continues to like.
no, it should be good.
Okay, perfect. There we go.
Yes!
Now I got that on film too. I'll remember for later.
Bro, is this yours? Is this your camera?
Yeah, Bob.
Better not be your camera.
Hell no, bro.
Back right.
Oh, good break.
Nice!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh no! Super questionable.
Hey, we're good, Box. Get it back.
That was some impact.
Yeah, what the hell?
Hey, drop.
Bez got him.
Who you got, Anson?
Yeah, that's fine, Anson. You're this.
Yeah, I'm talking to you, Oliver. Not looking, Oliver.
Oliver's looking.
Looking, Oliver.
Hey, you're hot tub.
Anson, hard Anson.
Ah!
Let's go. That's huge. At least don't get those.
That's huge.
Por favor.
See the cup, Box. See the cup. Hey, start working. Start working, Cutters.
Start working!
Hey, spread him deep, Oliver. Spread him deep all the way. Take him.
All right, spread it, fully spread.
See it, Owen? Ben.
Like PB&J. A little too deep, sir.
Come under. Now come under.
Oh, you are fully unguarded.
Yes. Now Topher.
Okay, now pull it back, pull it back, pull it back.
Now back. Now back. Now back, Oliver.
Keep
All
doing
the
that
way.
motion. Keep doing that motion, baby.
Back again, Oliver. And forward. Topher, see Oliver.
Yes, Oliver.
Topher, see Oliver.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no.
Blunder of the footwork. Show up some more practices.
Out of pocket, bro.
Ooh.
Could have hit that in the film.
Work, Bacchus!
I'll take it out in post.
Hard pursuit, Bacchus, let's go! Ollie hot, Ollie hot.
Oliver, no deep.
No break, no break, no break, no break.
Anthony's gonna look deep. He's looking deep.
No break, no break, no break, no break, no break.
Oliver.
Topher, coming deep. Watch the deep, Topher.
Good deep. There we go, Box. Use it, Box. Use it.
Yeah, keep going, yes.
Come under now. Come under now. Come under now. Come under now. See it. See it. See it. Oliver, you'll get it one day and it'll be the best you've ever felt.
Yeah, I like that, I like that, yeah, I like that.
Yes.
Easy, easy.
Oliver, you're crushing it.
End zone.
Nice.
Let's go. Unlock the box. The box. Unlock. Hey, Bacchus on the pole. Box on.
You are nearly on this.
Hey, the box is on.
It's on, yo. Bacchus. Ooh, that's through the legs. That's a push-up. That's a push-up. That's a meg. Yeah, Finn, you know what they want.
Yeah, Finn, that's all you.
Up!
Go, Rico.
Nice shot, 11.
Yeah,
That was a good punt.
Let him set up, Leo. Let him set up.
Take your time. Take your time, Bugs.
Yeah, true.
Spread it out. Max, you're hot.
The handle of this guy right here.
Hey, Fred. Yo, that's
Play him.
way too
Play
deep.
underneath him, yo.
Finn,
And
that's
know that
way.
Try to be kind of guard. What I've been trying to do is like guard.
10 yards.
Yeah, but.
Yeah.
Yo.
Jericho, that's great.
Get there, attack. Yeah, go, Pablo. Hey, we got Poach. Poach, Max, you're.
Poacher. Need somebody going deep.
Go, Pubs.
With your man!
Leo. I've been playing against him for like 4 years, bro. His first look is just always deep.
No around, Finn, no around.
Nice.
See that?
Finn, you gotta keep with them.
Is there pain anywhere? Is it down the whole line here? Alright.
Let's go, Box! Oh, line, oh, line, oh, line, oh, line. Oh, line. Oh, line. That's all. That's all I
Everyone
need.
has a woofer training. I've realized.
Dude, it's, yeah.
I like trying to use it, but I
It's fun. That's why I like saying I have my whooper, because everyone and their mom has their whooper.
Facts. It's like kind of a long ass course.
It was, dude. I learned a lot, honestly.
Yeah.
I've used it a couple times. I popped a couple people's fingers back into place.
Oh, I've done it with my own, but I've never done it.
Yeah, Leo!
That was an amazing throw.
Yeah, Buck.
All right, second half of this point. Part 2.
Forehand, time to work, Bacchus. Hey, hard out against.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go deep. This is on the opposite side. I'm gonna go under.
I heard it like that.
I'm talking to you, Leo. Not looking, Leo. Not looking, Leo. Not looking, Leo. Hot, Leo. Hot, Leo.
John's hot.
Like if it's on that side, only 69 will be on.
Yeah. Hey, time out, Bill.
All right, part 3, same point.
Actually, no, 30.
Point 3. We're on. We're live. We're rolling.
August, can you grab the jug of water? Jonas, I'm talking to you.
August is on the play. Stalling with a bottle of water.
I'm talking to you, Jonas. Not looking, Jonas. Not looking, Jonas. Not looking, Jonas. Not looking, Jonas. Hot, Jonas. Hot, Jonas.
Sexy! Nice!
Yeah, Owen.
Back to the stack. Back post. Yeah. Joseph, you're next to it. Andrew, not. Andrew, back to the stack. Back to the stack.
Good team!
Hey, set it up, Box. Set it up. Set it up. What are we doing? Ho, ho.
Vertical, vertical.
Vertical. Cuts.
Right here, spread it, spread it. Force the split.
All right, Atticus.
It's coming in. Poacher. Get forward. Go high. Go high. Yeah, Jamie, right there, Jamie. No round, no round. End zone, end zone. Yeah, 5-3, shoot.
Topher!
Topher.
Look at layup! Layup, Leo!
Layup, Leo.
Get there, baby!
Ooh.
All good. That's
Hey,
all
let's
good.
go. Let's get it back,
We
Leo.
like that. We like that.
Leo, get that person. Leo, go get that.
Spread the field, Cutter. Leo. Back to
What's force?
It's a hot.
What? Hot, hot.
Watch deep!
Trying to go deep.
reset.
Hey, bend your knees, Leo.
You're hot!
Keep working, Jonas. Keep working.
Watch the upline!
No run, no run. Go break. Hey, we're still flick.
Upline!
Hey, that's a break.
Go break. Back you in.
Hey, who's on? Owen, you're on.
Back.
That was like it hurt.
And he's here.
Up.
Not in.
And he's out.
Not in.
Sideline can't help.
Go break! Leo, that's all you!
Let's go. New point.
New point. Boop.
Yo, lock it in.
Let's go. Bacchus.
No, get this on camera. Get this on camera.
Hey, we turned it off for you.
I'm gonna edit that out in post.
Hey, yo,
I'm gonna put Max's face on him.
Yo, you can't just shout that.
Yo, just for that.
Well,
We gotta kill him.
You can edit that out in post. It's fine.
Oh, I like that! Deep! Hey, Owen, no big.
Hey, looking Pablo.
Charge! Hey, shut up!
What do we want, Box? What do we want? Vert.
On yet. Hey, quick, dude.
Hey, Pablo's free.
Hey, run our system, Box.
Flanks.
Oliver.
Hey, Leo, scoot back a little bit.
No round. Up.
No.
Some goober.
Let's go, Box!
Bacchus.
Toby.
Not looking, Oliver. Not looking, Oliver.
Yeah, real, Owen, real.
Owen, he wants that. He wants that. Toby, tight it. He wants it, Owen. He wants it. Watch your person.
Yeah, Toby, yeah, Toby.
Oliver, cover deep. Cover deep.
Oh my God, dude.
Oliver hot. Oliver hot. Hey, let's go, Box. The bishop's table. Salmon, salmon. Then Clay. You'll never make it to the bishop's table. Let's go online. Hey, Rico, spread him. Rico, spread him. And then come under. Then now under, Rico.
Nice.
Patient. Nice. Across the field.
Oh, my juicer!
Let's go. Y'all are killing it. This is just much fun to watch. When did you get here?
Hey, how are you doing? What happened?
I was at practice and I just came down the side of it and didn't think it was that bad, and then it was like huge and I couldn't walk on it.
Tragic.
Let's go!
Up!
Oh, Topher. Oh.
Man, they've never done that play before.
Oh my God. Dude, that one scared me.
Kind of sketchy.
Take him, Oliver.
Hey, Rick.
Rico's such a good cutter.
Easy throws.
End zone.
Oh. A little bit of close-up shot.
I'm in rhetoric and media and photography, bro. This is right up my alley. Yo, change the rhetoric right now. You're the rhetorician, my boy.
We got the rhetorician.
Yeah, Ayrton!
Bacchus!
Up! Yes, Topher! Up!
Hot Topher! Hot Topher!
Up!
Nothing around, Pablo.
Up! Ayrton, follow it!
Oh my God.
Dude, that literally is
It's not even on the deep, it's on the transition from the deep.
That's a sexy ass O-line!
Let's go, Box!
Here we go, Box. Good catch, Anson.
Dude, I'm scared he's gonna drop him.
I'm so scared of catching pulls.
I remember Lucas caught one of the goals and just dropped it.
Oh, see it.
That's OB. He still caught it! You fucking with that bread?
Camera.
Anthony. All under. Hey, yeah, Jonas. You're high. Oliver. Wrong side down, Oliver. Wrong side, Oliver.
Hey, Chili Box! Chili Box!
Up.
Let's do it.
Because then I'd know.
69. Yeah. He's repping it. He's has to represent.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's true.
All right, Box.
Bacchus!
Let's go, Box. Let's go. Fire up.
Work, Owen! Work, Owen! Up!
Can't throw it to Big Dad.
No, he does it. You know he made a nitro practice?
Keep going.
That's fucking sucks. You got Toph. Send it to him. Them. Yeah, Toph. Smart call.
Veteran call!
Your coach say burn it.
The box! Unlock! The box! Unlock! Let's go, Bacchus! Bacchus! I'm funny, right? I'm funny, right?
We always get the injured person on the camera. Nice. It's their role. They gotta be some. They're not coach or captain in training. They gotta be on documentation. Look up, look up, look up, look up! Yeah, see Owen. Oh! Okay, good toe.
Yes. Yeah, be available.
Leo. Wait till you're activated. Wait for the activation. And we need third back. Yeah, Toby. Nice. Yes, see Toby.
Throw him go, yeah.
Yeah, oh!
So close, Dover.
Hey, get it back, Dover!
Hey, who's marking? Yeah.
You're hot, Anson, you're hot, Anson!
Tight, Leo! Yeah, Bucket! Yeah!
Hey, you're hot, Leo!
Boom!
Shirley box!
Hey, go now, Ben, go!
Spread him, Toby.
Eddie.
No,
Over, big up the over, see back. See Eddie. Run hard, boss. Oh, good D. Still got it. Cuts. Bigger poke. Hey, everyone's going deep. Yeah, Owen. Hey.
Ooh! Come down with that!
Yeah. Yeah.
Bacchus!
Let's go, D. Yeah, Bacchus! This is our point! Yeah, Bacchus!
Hot, Max!
You're hot!
Under
Ben, you're hot!
No,
Jonas, stay tight! Yeah, Ben!
Ah! Let's go, Max! Let's go, baby!
Get out of there! Yo, Pablo!
What are we running?
Pablo, move!
Cut deep.
Who's going?
End zone. Vertical. Yeah, good. I like that, Anson.
In Clay, you'll never make it to the bishop's table. Salmon, baked in clay. You'll never make it to the bishop's table. Bacchus.
Yeah, D-line. Let's go, D-line.
Let's go, D.
Go deep. Go deep.
Hot up.
Chile.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, sorry, Matt.
Hey, let's go, O-line.
Let's fucking go, box.
Hey, it's person.
See that up line. Take it all the way, Owen. Take it all the way.
Up.
See it. Up.
Let's go, kids. Yeah.